the tongue jab. Comfortable. No. Hi guys, my name's Isabel. We're back here at Worldwide RV, and today I'm going to be showing you guys around this 2021 Shadow Cruiser 193 MBS. Now this unit can comfortably sleep up to 3 people, making it perfect for smaller families and couples, and it also has a Murphy bed design. So let's start on the outside of this unit and then make our way in. So starting on the front of this unit, this is going to be a fiberglass front cap, and you do have two 40-pound LP tanks up here in the front as well. Moving on to the side here, you are going to have a pass-through storage that's going to go all the way through to the other side. Right underneath that, you're going to see you do have electric stabilizers, and that is going to be for the front and back of this unit. Moving our way down, this unit has a 120-volt plug on the outside, so you can easily hook up any sort of charging needs. This unit also does have the extended season RVing. So this has an enclosed underbelly that has forced air ducted heat, keeping your living space very cozy. It is going to be a very open floor plan. There is a back bathroom. Now, when this slide comes in, you are going to still be able to access all of your kitchen area as well as this bathroom back here. Your Murphy bed is going to be a queen size bed. You're going to see you have storage not only on the side to hang up clothes, but above as well, giving you plenty of room for all of your clothing when you're going camping. Now, the dinette, as per usual, is going to fold down into additional sleeping. You also are going to have some storage underneath it, so you can put some extra things in there as well. They gave you this huge metal sink. If you are needing that extra amount of counter space, they do give you a cover, so you're able to cut vegetables, do your prepping right here. As for the oven, you are going to get a 3-burner stovetop with an oven underneath, and you have a gray stone microwave up here. Now this fridge is going to be 10 cubic feet, giving you plenty of space to store all your food on those camping trips. You're going to see that you do have a DVD player. Now let me show you the bathroom. In this bathroom, you get plenty of space to move around. You also get this medicine cabinet right here. And if you look directly next to the medicine cabinet, you're going to have this storage area. Now, this storage area is pretty deep. My arm can go pretty far back. So you get lots of room in this storage cabinet right there. This toilet is going to be a porcelain toilet, which is always best. And this shower, definitely have plenty of headroom in here and plenty of room to move around, wash your hair without worrying about hitting your arms on the walls or anything. Well, there you have it, guys. That was a complete look at this 2021 Shadow Cruiser 193. Now, this unit is currently available online at a good price of $18,741. We have her on sale right now. So click the link in the bio to see all the specs about this unit and come in and visit it for yourself at 4660 East Main Street, right in between Higley and Greenfield. Hope to see you soon.